All right, so today we learn how to work with multiple worksheets. I have posted this file on Canvas, so you can open it and follow along with me. In the real world cases, you usually work with multiple worksheets, especially if they are in chronological order. Like here, I have a fall, winter, and a spring, and I have exam 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 3 grades here for different quarters. Or you might have financial information, financial quarterly information for your company. So when you want to do calculations, you have to pull information from different worksheets, right? So today I want to learn how we can work with these worksheets. And then one other thing before we start is that they usually need to, these worksheets needs to be in the same structure if you want to use it. You see that I have the same structure of the data in all of these worksheets, right? So I want to start with this, my first quarter, which is fall quarter. I want to copy my formatting and its headlines and a couple of other things from this worksheet to winter and spring quarter. The first thing that I need to do is that I have to select or grouped my worksheets. If you remember from module 1, you need to hold down the shift button and then just click in these worksheets, or you can do it with control. You see this green bar, this means that they are now selected. And then I select my headline. I want to copy this headline to winter and spring. Then I go to this field here, click, and I go to this across worksheets and just say okay. And you're not really doing anything, you're not copying, but if you ungroup, I go here, right click, ungroup, and I look at the other one, you see, it was copied to the rest of them. Again, I group them, just hold down the shift and then click. Here, I want to do more, add formatting to my headlines. I use the bold for the font, and then I go to this field, use this color, and then maybe I go to cell styles and then choose, let's go with the headings, this one. Again, you can check, ungroup it, see, it was copied to all of my worksheets. You see that it's much easier to work with these worksheets when you only need to make changes to one of these, right? And then you might have like 20 worksheets like this, but again, the structure of the data must be similar. And other things that I can do, I can even do like calculations. I can select this range, all of my grades for exam 1, 2, and 3, and I go to this sigma sign here, click, and I wanted to see the average, right? Say average, you see the average was added to my data. Again, I ungroup, check it, see, average was added to all of my data. Let me see. It's because I have didn't have time to change the data. I have exactly the same data. That's why my averages are the same. But if you change the data here, you will see that your average gets updated, right? Again, I group them. I want to say that this is my average. So I click on this cell, say average. Again, I want to copy it. So go to this across worksheets and OK. And then give it some style. Cell styles. Go to total. Now it has a total format. Again, ungroup it or check it. It was copied. Maybe we give it these the same style, make them stand out. Now looks much better, right? And I ungroup it. See, it was copied to all of my worksheets. Other things that you can do, you can create copies of the same file to view. If you go to this view, and I'm seeing fall here. I want to see winter, and it's going to let's click 3 of them. Let's create a view of fall and then winter and then the spring. Go to this view and then new window. Just click on it. That's all you need to do. As I click, Excel creates a new view of the data for me. Again, come back here, click on winter, go to view, again, new window. This is my winter, and then go to spring, and then view, new window. Again, made another one. Now imagine if you have a big screen, especially it looks very well. First of all, we can switch between these views. You see, if I click on it, it jumps to the second view of my data, and I can see other worksheet. Or better again, if you have, especially if you have a bigger screen, it looks very nice. You can go to this arrange all, and you click, gives you different options. Again, it depends on your screen. I chose this tiled, and if I hit the OK, see, I can see different worksheets here. I can click and I see the different views of my data. All right.